पूरा पिजन। और यार 3 पिजन बैठे हैं। So until now, I have only had Mario and Millie as my baby. But so me and my husband are expecting our first baby, our first child together. I think this is my 9th week running, and I'm just trying to document my life in this journey. We got to know about it in the 6th week, 2 days. So at first it was a huge shock, and I really don't know what to do. But then obviously it was a gradual process of acceptance. Ouch. um, but I guess now I'm very excited to go on this new chapter in my life. My cat is really interested in the pigeons, not in me. So the initial 1 week was a huge adjustment to first to accept, because since this was entirely a surprise to us, we were not planning or anything of that sort. So there was a huge acceptance curve in this journey. Then now, currently I am now now that the acceptance has sinked in. I don't know. I will not say I'm so excited to be a mother. I don't know. I think I'm more anxious, to be very honest. But pigeon चाहिए था कोई, but my only concern is that I hope I'll be a good mother, a caregiver, and now that I have consciously taken this decision to bring another life in this world, I hope I'll be someone who can guide this life form towards a good life. So me and my husband, since we live alone, it was very overbearing. I don't know, but now it's not. But for the last 1.5 week, I think it's more than 1 week, my mother came to live with us. So happy. Even my husband is very much relaxed. So I'm getting 4 meals a day cooked by my mother, and I'm so happy. I can't even. I don't know. I have enough words to explain it in words. It's just amazing being taken care of. Everyone knows the first trimester is very tricky. You should rest a lot, relax a lot, happy thoughts most of the time, or mostly the entire time. So yes, happy thoughts in my heart. Um, my mother is taking care of me, and I think, of course, like we appreciate our mothers, but I think in this particular time, I think I've never appreciated her more. It just how important part our mothers play in our life. And given this entire sequence of me bringing another life, will be like they'll be the grandparents in our culture. वो नाना नानी बनेंगे. तो just amazing. It's going to be 8 o'clock right now. Since we live in Pune, the weather is amazing. It's quite cloudy. I only came to the rooftop, reason being I was trying to get some vitamin D, but I guess the sun is not showing up, which is fine. I'll just do some little bit of pranayam exercises. Not all, only Anulom Vilom for now. Rest can be a little stressful, so it's okay. And apart from that, how my day is going, like I get up, drink copper vessel, like overnight kept water in the copper vessel, one entire big glass, then relax for 10-15 minutes, then I'll do my pranayam or something, a little bit of exercises for hands or some leg movement, then I'll eat a big bowl of your dry fruits. And after the dry fruits, I'll be getting another big glass of coconut water, then followed by some light breakfast, then take a bath, and then since my mom is here and we both are very spiritual and religious person, so yes, then some good half an hour sort of a puja, not like just like puja. So I am reading. Then my normal daily activities includes in terms of worshipping. Like I read Durga Chalisa, Ganpati Srotra, and Rudrashtakam. This is for Shivji. But currently I'm trying to include one chapter या कहें तो हिंदी में एक अध्याय गीता से. So this is something that I am been doing now. It's really nice, and how we Indians and Hindus perceive this is कि however whatever we are feeling, obviously, like even Western medicine understands and says is that of course whatever we feel it transmits to the baby, but as a Hindu we understand the kind of sanskar that we are going to pass on to our baby. This 9-month journey plays a crucial role in it. Trying to keep as much good beliefs in my entirety of this 9-month journey, and listening to satsang, pravachan, which has always been part of my entire childhood, not just childhood until now. My mother, it might come as a shock to many people. It used to be as a shock to many of my friends also. So my mother, we never watched any kind of serials in our home. My mother, from the very start, in terms of TV, we only get to watch satsang or some kind of satsang or pravachan or bhajan, and rest, if we were getting a chance or some 1 hour something of a Cartoon Network at that time, there was Dexter's Laboratory or something of that, better cartoons. And then there was there was always some Hindu mythological religious shows always coming on TV, so that was also one of our pastimes. this is what I'm currently doing. Another another good thing about my entire journey until now in this trimester is that touch wood, but I will not release this until this trimester is over. But yes, no nausea. I haven't faced any kind of nausea. Papucha? No, of course the fatigue is there, but it's not as daunting as what I've heard from a lot of people. I am able to function easily, very nicely. I'm able to sit, do a lot of activities. Actually, it's a pain for my mother to make me sit sometimes. I forgot that I'm carrying someone. I want to do a lot of things. Like I want to put something, do something, and as you can see, so this is my one of my plantation areas. I have like total in four. This particular one has ample amount of sun. There is no shade. So this is for like the fruit area kind of thing. My mother has to legit restrict me not to do any kind of such activity so that obviously I don't cause any harm. Um, before obviously the conceiving, me and my husband were planning to do this by the end of this year, but yeah, surprise, but it's okay. But yes, we have been keeping our lifestyle very healthy because we were thinking and hoping to detox ourselves for an entire year. So we did the detoxing for approximately 6 months before me conceiving. I think that played a major role in obviously in me not having all these symptoms, say nausea, morning sickness, or you know, lot of mood swings, extremely lethargic. No, nothing of that sort. As you can see, I was up at 6:30. I was moving around. I was playing with my cats, and then sitting, enjoying. Now I'm feeling very hungry. I'm done with my pranayam and things. Now it's like my stomach is shouting it's hungry. My mama is preparing some breakfast for me, which I'm very excited about. Uh, yes, of course. In my particular case, my pregnancy did not is not having as much of a physical toll as I have heard and listened from a lot of people, even from my mother itself. When she was expecting me, they came from a different time, and she was still supposed to do the entire household work. I don't know how she did that. I'm hardly allowed to even pick a glass of water. Like everything I'm getting in my hand. So I don't understand how difficult it must have been for her. That I am getting every damn privilege of being born to someone as giving, as lovable as her. And I just hope I'm able to pass it on to my kids too. She's amazing. And I think these last two 1 month and a half or 2 weeks has taught me like how selfless mothers are, and how much they do for us. And yeah, I'm just super lucky not to have any kind of responsibility. I'm just enjoying this process. eating all the time and having the best time. Maybe so for some people it might turn out to be like boring or something, but for not for me. I'm enjoying listening to such good stories. um, ये वाला पार्ट हिंदी में बोलना ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा। जब आप बचपन से सत्संग या भगवत गीता या रामायण सुन के बड़े होते हो तो आप वो चीज़ से बोर नहीं होते हो। आप हर बार सुनने की कोशिश करते हो या देखना चाहते हो कि कोई दूसरा वाचक एज इन स्पीकर कैसे वो बोल रहा है, क्या बोल रहा है, आप उनसे क्या सीख रहे हो। एंड मेरे लिए ये बहुत अच्छा टाइम है ऐसे ही बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे वाचक से सुनने का, अच्छे सत्संग सुनने का। एंड इतनी रिलैक्स शायद मैं पिछले 2-3 साल में कभी भी नहीं हुई। सिर्फ अच्छे बातों को सुनना एंड होपफुली उसको पूरा ट्रांसफ़र करना। ये कहते हैं हमारे शास्त्रों में तो ऐसे ही कहते हैं ना कि हम जो सुन रहे हैं वही वो ही जो सुनेंगे वो सीधे डायरेक्ट अंदर जाएगा। अगर हम उस वक्त सो जाते हैं तो वो चीज़ अंदर ऑब्वियसली नहीं जा पाती है। So from the very first day I am trying कि अच्छा आचरण हो, अच्छी बातें सुने, अच्छा सात्विक खाना खाए। एंड बस एक दिस इज़ लाइक अ गुड ग्रेट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दैट आई वांट टू fulfill and bring a great life on this earth. I think अभी के लिए इतना काफ़ी है। क्यों? जय श्री कृष्णा।